is a tale of long ago. The land was full of dragons. They were big and men did run. Being on fire was not much fun. The villagers were a buffet like stars.
What's up, people? Welcome back to M&J Incorporated's Third Degree. Today we're making a Cajun mac and cheese and it's going to be amazing. Let's get started. So don't think this is going to be anything special, but it is. It really is. I love making this Cajun mac and cheese. I'm just using Kraft's mac and cheese today so we could have some of that flavor. I have this pan. We're going to fill it up with water. So take it to the sink. Put some water in it. And take it and put it on the stove. So with this recipe, I like to start off clicking it because we have a gas fire stove. I keep it on high for the first 5 or 10 minutes until it starts boiling. And so I also like putting salt in my water before I cook the pasta. Don't be afraid to put a lot of salt. Salt is what's going to give this flavor. And I will get back to you when it starts boiling. So in the meantime, I'm going to start cutting up my things for this dish. I have parsley, garlic, Cajun spice, paprika, and 1 chicken breast. We're only going to be using half of the chicken breast today. Cut it in half. If you want more chicken, you can. I just prefer to cut this up into kind of bite-sized pieces so that when it cooks it doesn't have much warmth because it's already pre-cooked. I actually am just going to be reheating it and then adding it into the entire dish. You know what, I'm going to go whole chicken breast. So now that we have the chicken done, we can move on to the garlic. Next, what I like to do is take some of that Cajun spice and paprika, lift the tab, take about 2 or 3 tablespoons of this. If you add too much like I just did, you can open up the top and just shake some back in. And now take the paprika. Just for flavor, I
like the taste of paprika and it makes everything better. Now, add salt. Black pepper. Now that everything is prepared, we check the water so that we have a perfect cook for the mac. The water is boiling, so I'm going to put you guys down right here. Now I've opened up the box, and it's nothing special, just dunk it in there. And then in a second we're going to stir it after I throw this box away. And the reason why we stir it is because we want to make sure none of this goodness sticks to the bottom of the pan. One thing I've noticed that a lot of YouTubers and really famous chefs say is that the point about putting oil into your water, don't put oil, guys, in your water. I don't know why people thought this, because I learned that if you put oil on your pasta, it's just going to make it slippery and nothing will stick to it. So you want to make sure that when you are cooking pasta that it's not just runny and everything is falling off of the pasta. You want everything to stick to it. So remember, don't add oil to your water with pasta. Hopefully that's a good tip. Now we're just going to wait for this to cook off and watch it boil for a few minutes. And then we'll be done. So now the pasta is ready. I'm going to put it into the strainer and we're going to have some good cooking. Now that that's done, I have some leftover pasta already in there. We're going to turn this back on. Like I said, don't put oil into your water. After you're done, you could put it into a pan like so. And if you have any other ingredients, like the ingredients we have here, you could toss that in with the ingredients. You just do not want to throw it inside with your water. So now we're going to put that all in there. Stir it around. And just make sure all that is sauteed. So once it's all cooked, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Now after about 5 minutes, I have cooked this and I'm going to add in my pasta since it's cooled down. Turn off heat. So I'm going to put this cheese in here first. Not looking for cleanliness, just looking to cook. And mix all of this up. And so if you remember, I actually put those Cajun seasonings into that bowl. Next, after we're done mixing this all in, like so, we're stirring, and now we have all that cheesy goodness all over the mac and cheese. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on it. You could add more, you could add less, doesn't really matter. I like mine in between. Needs a little bit of hot sauce of some sort. Let's take this sriracha, because it just needs a little bit of a kick. I'm a spicy guy. And then mix all that up. Another tip of advice, if you guys want to add more ingredients, I would say that if you would want to add ginger, garlic powder, some nutmeg and other things like cloves, that would be perfectly fine. You just add the cloves into your water while it's boiling with the salt, and it makes it taste so much better. I find that it's really good and helpful to know this stuff. So now I'm going to plate up, and we're just going to eat some of this in front of you guys.
So after a little while, this bowl is complete. I took a cheese stick and some extra parsley. Now I'm going to try it for you guys. That is some really amazing mac and cheese, guys. Look, hope you guys liked the video. Please like and share it, and follow us on Facebook.
Thrown and moaned away, all you can eat and then some more. When beasts got full and left us alone, scatter, flee, and escape to live to fight another day. Run, run, don't be slow or be like a flaming marshmallow. Dragons never joined a pack, just solitary, that's a fact. Good thing for us or we'd all be snacks. An army of dragons would surely win.